Lexus owners are paying for repairs that a single phone call to the right mechanic would have prevented, and the bills average over $2,000 each time. But what's really going on here? Are they just fixing your car or quietly upselling you on things you never needed? These are the 10 things your mechanic never tells you, and once you see them, you won't look at a service bill the same way again. Starting at number 10. Secret 10. The transmission fluid myth. A 2019 Lexus ES 300H rolled into an independent shop with 89,000 miles on the clock. The transmission was slipping under load, hesitating between ratios, jerking on inclines. The owner had followed every dealer service interval. The CVT fluid had never been touched. At the last visit, the advisor said it was fine, sealed system, lifetime fill. Lexus CVT and hybrid transaxle fluid is not lifetime. Change it every 30,000 miles, sooner in hilly terrain or towing. Always use genuine Toyota/Lexus WSA-TF or T4 fluid, depending on the model. Aftermarket substitutes cause friction modifier breakdown and accelerate clutch pack wear. A $120 to $160 fluid service at 30,000 miles prevents a $3,400 to $5,000 transmission replacement. The fluid is invisible. And this is where it gets expensive, because the next one is even easier to miss. Secret 9. The oil interval that destroys Lexus engines. Full synthetic. Oil changes every 7,500 miles. Serviced on schedule at the dealer since new. At 103,000 miles, a 2017 Lexus IS 250 had sludge packed around the VVT-I actuator and timing chain tensioner. The 7,500 mile interval on the sticker assumes ideal highway driving. Short trips, cold starts in summer heat, and stop-and-go traffic age oil in half the time the sticker accounts for. Change the oil every 5,000 miles with full synthetic. Hot climates or heavy traffic, 4,000 miles. Use 0W20 full synthetic in all Lexus V6 and inline-4 engines from 2013 onward. The thinner grade flows faster through the VVT-I passages on cold starts. A $60 to $80 oil change at 5,000 miles stops the $5,000 to $8,000 engine teardown that sludge eventually forces. Oil keeps the engine alive. But that's not the real problem. The real problem is a $12 part nobody replaces until the oil starts disappearing. Secret 8. The $12 part that destroys Lexus engines quietly. A 2014 Lexus RX 350 was burning through a quart of oil every 1,200 miles. No leaks. Diagnosis at the dealer: worn piston rings from carbon buildup. Repair estimate: $4,800. The actual cause was a clogged PCV valve that had been starving the crankcase ventilation system for years. The valve cost $12. The shop never checked it. Every 30,000 miles, pull the PCV valve and shake it. Rattle means working. Silence means replace it today. On the 2GR-FE V6 found in RX 350, ES 350, and GS 350 models from 2007 to 2020, the PCV valve is clipped into the rear valve cover. 10 minutes, no specialist required. Use a genuine Lexus/Toyota PCV valve. Aftermarket units have inconsistent spring tension. The part costs $10 to $18. The engine rebuild it prevents costs $4,000 to $7,000. $12, 10 minutes. The repair it prevents takes weeks and empties a savings account. That part is completely silent when it fails. The next warning is very loud, and most dealers call it normal. Secret 7, the cold start rattle that ends Lexus engines. Cold morning, first start of the day. A faint metallic rattle, 3 seconds, then gone. The dealer heard it on inspection and said it was normal cold start behavior, nothing to worry about. It was not normal. That rattle was the timing chain slapping worn plastic guides before oil pressure stabilized. At 128,000 miles, the chain skipped a tooth. Full top-end rebuild, $5,100. A cold start rattle lasting more than 2 seconds on any Lexus IS, GS, or RX with a 2GR or 3GR-FSE engine is not normal. Act on it immediately. Budget for a timing chain and guide service before 120,000 miles on any high-mileage V6. An independent Lexus specialist typically charges $700 to $1,100. Extended oil intervals and hard driving wear the guides faster. Do not wait for the rattle to confirm the problem. The rattle is 5 seconds. The rebuild it predicts is weeks of rental cars and a bill most people charge. That rattle is audible. The next failure is completely invisible and passes every service check right up until it causes a panic stop. If one of these has already saved a repair bill, hit subscribe. The next 6 are where the expensive mistakes start, and number 1 is the one the industry counts on you never learning. Secret 6. Brake fluid passes every visual check until it fails. A 2016 Lexus NX 200T on a mountain descent. 4 passengers. The brake pedal went soft halfway down. The car stopped, but it took longer than it should, and the pedal felt wrong for the rest of the drive. The brake fluid had not been changed in 5 years. Every service sheet had signed off on it. The level was in range. The color looked clear. Both things can be true while the fluid is already compromised. Flush brake fluid every 2 years, regardless of color or level. Visual inspection tells nothing about moisture content. A $15 brake fluid moisture tester gives an accurate reading in seconds. Above 3% moisture, flush immediately. Lexus specifies DOT3 across most models, but always confirm on the reservoir cap. A full flush costs $80 to $120. An ABS modulator corroded by contaminated fluid costs $600 to $1,400. The fluid looks perfect. That is precisely why it gets missed, and why the next problem gets missed in exactly the same way. Secret 5. The carbon problem. Fuel additives can't touch. Engine stumbles at idle. Slight hesitation under acceleration. Scan comes back clean. No fault codes. The shop recommends a $45 bottle of injector cleaner and a fuel system treatment. 3 services later, the symptoms are worse. A bore scope into the intake reveals heavy carbon deposits on the intake valves, a centimeter thick on some of them. The injector cleaner was never going to help. Lexus models from 2013 onward with direct injection engines spray fuel directly into the combustion chamber. Nothing washes the intake valves. The additive only reaches the injectors. The valves are completely upstream. For existing buildup, the only effective solution is walnut shell blasting. Crushed walnut media blasted through the intake ports. Schedule it every 60,000 to 80,000 miles on any direct injection Lexus. Between services, use top-tier certified fuel. Shell, Chevron, and Mobil all qualify. Higher detergent content slows deposit formation. Occasional highway driving above 3,000 revolutions per minute burns off light surface deposits. A $300 to $450 walnut blast at 60,000 miles prevents valve replacement, which runs $1,800 to $3,200 once ports are fully blocked. Carbon builds for years without a single warning light, and almost nobody catches this next one because it's listed in the manual and dealers still skip it. Secret 4. The service in the manual that never makes the sticker. A 2015 Lexus IS 350 at 111,000 miles. Dealer serviced since new. No missed appointments. a faint power loss the owner had been attributing to the engine aging. At independent inspection, 2 exhaust valves were running tighter than spec, not enough for a misfire code, but enough to show up on a compression test. Lexus engines do not have self-adjusting valves. Most modern engines do. Valve clearance inspection is listed in the Lexus owner's manual as a recommended service at higher mileage intervals. It almost never makes it onto a dealer service reminder because symptoms take years to appear, and by the time they do, the damage is already done. Check the owner's manual maintenance schedule for the valve clearance inspection interval on the specific model. On most Lexus V6 and inline-4 engines, it appears in the high mileage service section, and most owners never see it. An independent Lexus specialist typically charges $400 to $700 for a full valve clearance inspection. If valves are within spec, the inspection is all that is needed, and most are. If an exhaust valve is running too tight, it will not fully close under heat. Combustion gases erode the seat over time. Left long enough, the valve burns. That repair becomes a cylinder head rebuild at $3,500 to $5,500. It is listed in the manual, on the maintenance schedule page. It just never makes it onto the windshield sticker because finding problems is not what puts the service counter on target. That inspection costs a few $100s. The repair it catches costs 5 times that. The next secret costs nothing to know, and the industry counts on most owners never learning it. Secret 3. The cooling system service that ruins engines when skipped. A 2013 Lexus GS 350 with 148,000 miles. No overheating. Temperature gauge normal every single drive. The coolant had never been changed. At an independent inspection, the coolant tested acidic, pH well below safe levels. 6 weeks later, a pinhole in a coolant hose caused a slow leak the owner never noticed until steam appeared under the hood. Coolant does not turn orange or emit a warning smell when it becomes dangerous. It looks fine and tests fine on a color check. What it loses over time is its chemical inhibitor package. The compounds that prevent corrosion inside aluminum heads, the water pump, and the radiator. Drain and refill the cooling system with genuine Toyota/Lexus super long life coolant at 100,000 miles. Then every 50,000 miles after that. Lexus specifies pink super long life coolant. Never mix with green or orange types, as incompatible inhibitor chemistries cause gel formation in block passages. A $100 to $150 cooling system service at the correct interval prevents water pump failure, head gasket erosion, and radiator corrosion, which together can exceed $3,000 to $4,500 to repair. The coolant looks clean long after it has stopped protecting. This is where most people lose money, because the next one is built entirely on a threat that isn't real. Secret 2. The spark plug upsell that costs twice what it should. A 2018 Lexus RX 350 at 63,000 miles. Runs perfectly. The dealer's service printout flags spark plugs as due, urgent, highlighted, recommended for immediate replacement. The dealers quoted a price of $480 for a full set of 8. The 2 GR-FKS engine in that car specifies iridium plugs with a replacement interval of 120,000 miles. The car was not even halfway there, and the plugs the dealer quoted were available at a parts counter for $14 each. Always check the owner's manual spark plug interval before authorizing replacement. On most modern Lexus engines with iridium or iridium-tipped plugs, the interval is 100,000 to 120,000 miles. Use NGK or Denso iridium plugs. Both are original equipment suppliers to Toyota and Lexus. The correct plug for most Lexus V6 engines costs $12 to $18 per plug from a reputable parts supplier. A set of 6 for a V6 runs $70 to $110 in parts. Independent shop labor adds $80 to $140. The dealer equivalent of the same job routinely lands at $400 to $550 with zero difference in outcome. $300 difference. The only variable is who is holding the invoice. The spark plug upsell relies on mileage anxiety. The next secret, number 1, relies on something far more powerful. The fact that most owners never question a single line on the quote. Secret 1, the warning light that triggers a $400 visit for a $2 fix. TPMS light on. A 2021 Lexus ES250 drives into the dealer. The service advisor checks the pressure, finds one tire 2 psi low, and recommends a full tire inspection, wheel balancing, and alignment check. Total, $385. The tire had a loose valve stem cap. Air had been slowly escaping through the valve core. A replacement valve core costs under $2. The TPMS light goes off the moment the tire is back at spec. The $385 alignment had nothing to do with why the light came on. This is not a one-off. This happens thousands of times every day at dealers across the country. Most owners never question it because the light is on. And when a light is on, the assumption is something is wrong, and that assumption is exactly what gets sold against. Warning lights don't just alert you, they trigger a sales process. Most warning lights don't cost money, the reaction to them does. When any warning light appears, the first move is to identify the exact fault code before authorizing anything. A $30 OBD2 scanner reads every code the dealer's computer reads. For a TPMS light specifically, check pressure on all 4 tires and the spare against the door jamb sticker spec. A $10 digital gauge and $6 valve core kit resolve the majority of TPMS triggers at home in under 5 minutes. Alignment, balancing, and rotation have their own separate trigger conditions. A low pressure warning is not one of them, and a shop that bundles them onto that visit is using the light, not reading it. Every secret in this video follows the same pattern: information asymmetry. They know what the light means. They count on the fact that most owners do not. The fix is always the same. Know what the car actually needs before anyone else gets to tell you. Every secret on this list costs nothing to act on, and each one represents a repair bill that was completely avoidable. Before the next service, open the manual, check what is genuinely due, and ask the service writer to justify every line on the quote. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoy learning surprising things about Lexus cars, go ahead and subscribe. You may even like the next video on your screen. See you on the next one.